Okay, we're outside of 614 Pine Street. Beautiful apartment building in the Society Hill section of Philadelphia. We're between 6th and 7th Street. Just a couple blocks to Washington Square Park, up this way or that way. We are just a couple blocks from Center City. Rittenhouse Square is not too far from here either. Walnut Street, Chestnut Street. South Street is a couple blocks that way, where there's tons of bars, restaurants. There's so many coffee shops around. Just a fantastic little neighborhood and beautiful street. Very well known in Philadelphia. This is a brownstone with, again, a number of units inside. This is the block. Very pretty. So it looks like there's 6 units in here right now. Okay. There's a double locking front door. So this door locks. Here's your mailboxes. Zoom out. There's your mailboxes. Too close. Light is on 24/7. Again, this door automatically locks and closes, which is a great security feature. There's a peephole in this door, and there's a window here. Just keeps things very safe and nice. So again, this door also locks. And that's the initial entrance to the building. After this, if there's a unit that we're showing, which we will be, we connect that video to this one. So this is the space, beautiful building, and hope you enjoy the unit.
Hello everyone, I'm inside 614 Pine Street building. I'm about to show you a 2-bedroom unit inside this building. Each floor has 2 units, and the unit I'm about to show you is Unit 1R. Next to it, you will see on the left hand side the basement door. You have access to, you can get to the basement through here. And also on the right, you will see a door where you can open and get access to this area to keep your trash. Now I want to show you the inside of the unit. As you walk in, you will be greeted by this beautiful hardwood floor, very bright and high ceiling living area. You have a huge window here on the right hand side that brings a lot of natural light. Here up front you see a closet. It has stacked up washer and dryer. You have a nice size living area here. You have a central heat and air, and also here you have an open kitchen, a beautiful open kitchen with upgraded countertop, an island here. You can use it as a dining place. You can put stool around and make it as a dining place. And it's just a beautiful island you have. Here in the kitchen, you do have modern appliances. Here you have a double door refrigerator. You have a cooktop and oven. You have a lot of storage cabinets. You have a built-in microwave. Here on this side, you have a dishwasher, additional storage space. You also have a window here in the kitchen that brings natural light to the unit. This is one beautiful living area. It is a shot from the inside of the unit. All right. The next room I wanted to show you is the bathroom, and you have this beautiful hallway. It's a nice floor, and the bathroom has a beautiful tile and tile floor, tile wall, nice deep bathtub and shower combo. You do have toilets, you do have sink, you have a medicine cabinet with a mirror. You also have a closet space here behind this door where you can keep your towels and everything here. This is a very nice bathroom. Beautiful. The next room I want to show you is one of the bedroom. All right, the next room I would like to show you is a master bedroom. It has beautiful huge windows for the natural light. You have, as you walk in, on your right hand side, here on your right hand side, you have a storage closet where you can keep your stuff tidy like this. And the bedroom itself is a huge bedroom where you have this window. You can see out to the back of your outside private space. I will show you that space in a moment. Now let's focus on a bedroom. So this bedroom has everything in it, and it also have storage closet inside the unit. The first one I showed you was right before the door here. It will be now on the left side. Earlier it was on the right. So the closet you have here, the additional closet is this. Nice closet space, big closet space actually. Nice. So you have this beautiful big bedroom, very nice floor throughout the unit. And now I will show you the last unit. We are going out there through the next bedroom, which is a smaller bedroom. It has access to the outside. There is a door. I will open that door and go to the outside area, which is only for this particular unit. So when you get this unit, it will come with this private outside space. I'll show you that in a moment. Thank you. Coming back to the smaller bedroom here. Just finished the master bedroom. This bedroom is smaller, but it has a bigger closet space. The current tenant are using it as office space, but they could use it. You can also use it as a bedroom. And earlier on the video I showed you the outside space you're gonna have with this unit, and you could go through this door to the outside space, to the outside secluded space for only for unit 1R. Actually, they kept it very well and clean here, and this is the area. Have beautiful lighting and the chair. Nice chair is very nice, big outside space to have some fresh air and private time. And it's a big space only for the residents of 1R. I just showed you unit 1R is of 1614 Pine Street. It's a 2-bedroom unit. Smaller bedroom has a door that will take you to the outside. And that's it for me. I thank you for watching this video. Bye. Alright everyone, I'm in 1614 Pine Street building. Just came through 2 doors to get to this hallway. This is a 3-story building. Each floor has 2 units. Today I'm about to show you a unit on the first floor, which is 1R. Before I get to the unit, I want to show you what it looks like outside. In the hallway, everything is hardwood floor, nice stair and railings. And when you come here, you have this. I just opened the door for this video. You have this outside space where the residents take out their trash, and this is a common space for the residents. And here you have bins where a resident bring down their trash, and the landlord will take it out of the building once or twice a week. And the next space I want to show you is the basement. It is used as a storage area for the residents. You have the boilers, water boilers here, and they used to have washer and dryer, but now every unit has washer and dryer, and they don't have it, and they don't have them in here because I'm showing you 1R, and one storage area which is designated for 1R is here. The current tenant put a lock on it, so this storage area can come with unit 1R.